How to update Google Play services. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings. Move into Apps. Tap on See All Apps. It will land you on this page. Search for the application Google Play services. Once you find the application, head over to it. Click on Storage and Cache. So right here what you want to do is clear the cache and the storage of this application. So tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Manage Space. Right here tap on Clear All Data. Tap on Delete. Once it has been done, the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Google Play services. Head over to the very first one. Now you just have to restart your device and open the application. It will automatically update the application and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial free on how to update Google Play services. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.